Okay, so student, today we are going to learn the topic that is the acid-base salt. In the acid, first we will see what is the acid. Okay, can anyone tell me what is the acid? Tell me. What is the acid?
Acid or sour in taste.
Yeah, it is sour in taste. From which word it is invented?
Acrid.
Yeah, that word is Latin word. That Latin word, what we call that?
Acrid.
This is the acid, which means sour in taste, right? So all the acids, they are in sour in taste. That is the acid. Understood? Like citric acid. Citric acid is mainly found in lemon, right? Then you are having which acid? You are having which acid we are eating? Formic acid we eat? No. We don't eat formic acid, right? Lactic acid. Lactic acid is in curd. Like, see, in our surrounding, we are having the curd that every day we are having. Then we are having the lemon. Right? Almost every day we are having. So, the curd is having which acid? Lactic acid. Okay. And then here, the lemon we are having? This is the citric acid. Then, we always use the vinegar.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
In Chinese food, there is a lot of vinegar is used.
Acetic acid.
That is the acetic acid, right? Even the spinach, we eat spinach. In the spinach, which acid is there? That is the oxalic acid. Which acid?
Oxalic acid.
Even the tomato that you are eating. In that tomato, which acid is there? Oxalic acid. Understood? Okay. There is one acid. That acid name is ascorbic acid. What is?
Ascorbic acid.
That acid is mainly vitamin also. Which vitamin it is?
Vitamin
C. Right? In your exam, it comes for the MCQ. In the ascorbic acid, that is the vitamin C. Where does it found? It found. No, it is a vitamin C. That is also known as the ascorbic acid. But it found in a amla.
Found in amla.
Okay, it's found in amla. So mainly what I am saying, everywhere we are having the acids and base. Okay. First you clear about the acid. Acid is a word, that is a Latin word derived from the acri. That means sour taste. So all the acids are in sour taste. Understood? And that we are eating also. Understood? Then now the bases. Do we eat the bases? No, we don't eat the bases. The bases are mainly right. Base means soap. That you have to remember.
They are soapy.
Right. They are soapy in touch. They are slippery. And here.
Bitter.
Yeah, they are bitter in taste. So here the base are basically slippery,
Bitter in taste.
soapy, bitter in taste. Understood? Understood everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So now every day we are using the soap. Like for bath we are using the soap.
Yes.
For detergent they are also the base.
Bleaching powder.
Bleaching powder is also the base. Right. Okay. So these are all the bases. Now they are getting classified. This acid and base. They are mainly having the classification on the basis of their sources. Like here the acids which are basically naturally found. That is known as organic acid.
Organic.
What we call that?
Organic acid.
Now that means how you will remember. See, the acids are mainly in a three part. Okay. These acids are mainly found in a three type. The first is based on source. So in that there is two types. One is organic and another one is inorganic.
Organic are weak.
No, they are naturally found.
No.
If the term, then they are the naturally found. Okay. And inorganics are basically man-made. Then here they are having on the basis of concentration. On the based on concentration, here on the basis of concentration, they are having the strong acid and weak acid. So who are the strong acid?
Hydrochloride.
Okay, then strong acids are basically, see now the acids are when they dissolve in the water, they release the hydrogen ion. Which ion they are releasing?
Hydrochloride.
Right, and with the water they combine and they form the hydronium ion. Which ion they are forming?
Hydronium.
Hydronium ion.
Positively charged.
Right, they are positively charged. So here The strong acids are basically they are having more hydrogen ion. They are releasing more hydrogen ion. And the weak acids are they are releasing less hydrogen ion. Understood?
Yes.
Understood the difference?
Yes.
See, based on the source, organic means naturally founding, inorganics means man-made. Strong acids are basically those who are releasing the lot of hydrogen, and weak acids are basically those who are releasing the less amount of hydrogen. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. And here again they are having the type that is the concentrated and the dilute acid. What concentrated is H2SO4. H2SO4 is having the ability to even make the metals. Understood? And the dilute acids are, if I say 5% HCl, that means in a 1,000, like 1 liter of water, only 5% will be the HCl. Understood? And these are basically on their like strong acid and weak acids are there. Understood?
Yes.
So strong acid and which acid?
Hydrochloride.
They are having the more amount of, this is basically you can say these are basically based on dissociation. This is also known as a dissociation. This comes in a category of dissociation. That means dissociation का मतलब क्या होता है? अभी जैसे suppose I have taken the 1 liter of water. In 1 liter of water, which acid will dissolve more?
Strong acid.
Right. Understood? Understood the difference, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Here, that means they are having the more hydrogen ion, they will be the strong acid. And dissociation का मतलब क्या होता है? Dissolve. Simple word में. Dissociation means dissolve. Okay? Then, we all know the properties of acid. Can anyone tell me the properties of acid? Properties of acid.
Yes.
They are sour in taste.
Yes.
Then,
Acid.
their pH is always less than 7. We will study the pH scale also. In the pH scale, this is the pH scale. In this pH scale, it starts from the 0 and it ends on the 14. Here, this is the 7. So, below the 7, all are the acidic. And above the 7 is all are the basic.
And 7.
7 is neutral, right? Very good. So, our stomach pH is around 1 to 1.5.
More acidic.
It's a more acidic, they are having the HCl. Right? Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So, here in the pH scale, they are mainly, their pH is lower than 7. It's less than 7. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Then, now the bases, I gave a basic idea about the bases. They are the soapy in nature. They are slippery. They are bitter in taste. Okay. And the example of that is sodium hydroxide. What is sodium hydroxide?
Ma'am, sodium hydroxide is a base.
Right. So everyone is clear about this?
Yes.
So now we will move to base. Okay, in the base, see here, now, we are having the base. In the base, again, it is, mainly we are going to study about the strong base and weak base. Okay? First, the base is soapy and it's a bitter in taste. It's bitter in taste. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, here the examples are sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, magnesium hydroxide, that is Mg. What is that? MgOH twice.
MgOH twice.
It is also known as milk of magnesia.
Milk of magnesium.
And it is treated as an antacid. What is antacid?
So, which reduces the acidity.
Right. When you will have the acid, when your stomach will feel acidic, so you have to consume the antacid. That is a milk of magnesia. Understood? Understood? Then here you are having the calcium hydroxide. Then the calcium hydroxide is basically CaOH2, right? CaOH, that is also known as a slake lime. Then here they are mainly like divided as a strong base, weak base, and alkali. And alkali. Understood? Understood everyone?
Yeah.
So here, strong base are which? Here, the acid is basically releasing the hydrogen. So here they are releasing the OH minus. हाइड्रोक्साइड. आप देखो यहाँ पे हर जगह पे हाइड्रोक्साइड है. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. So basically they are releasing the hydroxide. So strong base are mainly those who will release the more OH ion.
And weak base are less.
They will be more. Here they will be less. And the alkalis. What is alkali? Can anyone tell me what is alkali?
The
Alkali are the bases which dissolve into water. These are the bases. These are the bases which dissolves in water. And you can say completely dissolves in water.
all alkalis are weak.
Yeah, all alkalis are bases, but the all bases are not alkali. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Everyone understood?
Yeah.
हाँ. सारे जो अल्कली है वो बेस ही है, बट सारे बेस अल्कली नहीं है, क्योंकि सारे बेस वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं होते. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
Like so.
राइट. हाँ. देन हियर ओके, सो स्टूडेंट आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस मच. Understood everyone? The strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base. Okay. So now in the next part we will see about the indicators and the types of salt. Thank you. Thank you so much.